My favorite food processor to use is gonna be the KitchenAid 6-cup food processor. It's only got 3 different settings, which makes it super easy to use and super easy to figure out. It's very reliable. I've been using mine for many, many years, and it really still works just as good as it was new. I really like the KitchenAid brand of the food processor, mostly because it's the most durable that I've found. The way that it's made, the craftsmanship of it really just holds up to all the cooking that I do every single week as a private chef, versus other brands that I've tried tend to get a little loose as time goes on, and I know that this one here is always a reliable product for me to use. I recommend a food processor to anyone that's getting in the kitchen. These things are so versatile. You can make so many different dishes with them with really little technique involved.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.